S. University is situated 32 kilometers from Bangalore city with a 100-acre spacious residential campus blessed with natural serene beauty. The eco-friendly campus provides a positive health to nearly 1,500 people along with comfortable boarding and lodging facilities. As Swami Vivekananda says, be and make. The people in S. Vyasa live and promote the nature by practicing and educating the natural way of life through the Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences course. When we live along with the nature's law, we will be showered with vigor and strength. Nature has the power to restore health, but in these modern days, we are looking for the health in medicines and surgeries. Nature has given us the elixir to cure ourselves, yet we have forgotten this. These secrets have taken rebirth as a phoenix through naturopathy. This secret is given to the hands of people by Surabhi, the naturopathy block in S. Vyasa. With well-equipped instruments, highly experienced and qualified physicians, and trained therapists, people are tuning with nature, which goes a long way in healing them.
Over the last century, medical science has progressed very exponentially. Large number of electronic facilities have given several gadgets to medical science. We can look at the minute details within the body through scans, etc. and spare part surgeries have been able to eradicate many of the communicable diseases. But in spite of all this progress, there have been a big increase in the prevalence of non-communicable diseases today to the medical researchers. What is that? Increasing prevalence of all these lifestyle-related diseases, non-communicable diseases like diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, depression, where the cause is not outside, but cause is an internal imbalance, and medical science has come to almost a dead end where we are able to trace all these diseases to lifestyle, behind lifestyle the mind. So mind-body medicine has become the talk of the day. When we want to handle the mind, when we want to remove the root cause of the disease, cure the disease, we really need to know much more details about the internal milieu, internal phenomena, mind, what happens in the body when the mind is excited. Therefore, it has become a need of the hour to understand, apply, use, do research and start incorporating these CAM therapies, complementary and alternative medicine therapies, which work a lot on the lifestyle, prevention, mind management, non-pharmacological therapies such as yoga, naturopathy, Ayurveda, herbal therapies, acupuncture, light therapy, etc. are all becoming more and more popular.
Mud has a remarkable effect to refresh, invigorate and vitalize the human body. It not only contains minerals which helps to maintain health and also absorbs toxins from the body. The natural therapy believes in healthy colon for healthy life, which is provided by colon hydrotherapy, a modernized enema using ozonized water. Diet plays a vital role in therapy. According to ancient seers, food is the medicine and medicine is the food. But man has polluted food too by using processed and canned foods, artificial flavors, adulterations, etc. In natural therapy, food is consumed in its natural form. Our ancestors have already given the medicine to treat diseases without using any medications, and it is fasting which has been proved scientifically. Acupuncture is the technical handling of small needles in miraculous treating disease in China, which is brought to the Indian homes through natural therapy. Our ancestors used to walk barefoot and stayed healthy throughout their life. This principle is brought in an even more scientific way in the name of acupressure, barefoot walking, track to stay healthy. Nature has given water not only to drink but also to treat the disease in the form of various types of bath such as hip bath, spinal bath, immersion bath, underwater massage, circular douche, jacuzzi, etc. Massage is a systematic placing of hands on the body and applying techniques to treat the body and the person to relieve ailments and stress. S. Vyasa has a well-equipped physiotherapy treatment unit where in a wide range of patients are treated with various modalities of physiotherapy machineries. BNVAS is 5.5-year course which combines knowledge of modern medicine and wisdom of traditional medicine.
Prestigious course called Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences, which is a 5.5-year course which blends modern medicine with the traditional medicine. Here we have got a lot of students from all over the country and all over the world will come here. Food and hygiene and other things. We have got a very dining hall where we cater to the needs of both North Indian dishes as well as South Indian dishes for both North and South Indian students. To facilitate them to grow further, we have got what are called as group discussions, and we are also got as mentors. Each 20 students we have got a mentor who show their parental love to the students because they are away from the house. So each one will be given an opportunity to express their problems and also to give suggestions, and which will be addressed very nicely to the students.
Our anatomy lab provides first-hand experience in dissecting the cadavers, providing detailed information of the entire human body using audio visuals. The physiology lab includes physiological and hematological examinations, autonomic function testing, and get experience in clinical examination. Our biochemistry lab is well equipped with necessary chemicals and reagent to carry out all basic and advanced biochemical tests. Using modern diagnostic tools, pathological specimens and slides, students get enormous exposure and practical knowledge related to progress of diseases. Culturing and identification of bacteria, parasitology and mycology study is taught in detail in microbiology laboratories. 10% contribution in the field of alternative and complementary medicine is from S. Vyasa University. The lab comprises of latest equipments like evoked potential, electroencephalogram, polysomnography, electromyogram, electrocardiogram, polygraphs, functional near.
I'm glad to be a part of Prashanti Kutiram. And it's not like all the universities where you see the difference between the teachers and the students. But here, the teachers are like our own family members. And moreover, if you have any doubts in any of the subjects, the teachers are available here and they are so close to us that we can be clear of our doubts then and there. Environment over here is totally pollution free, and the food we get here is really good, and the natural way of living here is really a very good part of this university. And my prime goal is to contribute something in this path, that is the alternative and complementary medicine. I love to live a natural way of living, and I welcome you all to this university to follow the same.
Yeah. And I'm proud to be a student of S. Vyasa, as here we get all the facilities that makes us not only confined within our group, but also it gives an opportunity to get involved in the research project.
This university, our university is renowned to be a center of excellence in yoga. What people think today is yoga is mainly the asanas, the physical exercise, and the tool to maintain their beauty. But it's not only that. Yoga is the real way of living, which can we learn from this university. Yoga not only affect on physical well-being, but it also affect on the mental, social and spiritual prospect of living.
Diet is being one of the most important criteria for a healthy life, which is being neglected by most of the people nowadays because of their busy schedule. And this became one of the most important cause for their disease condition. But unlike this, in Prashanti Kutiram, in our university, the people, they have taken initiative to provide us nutritious and healthier food so that it can help us for our development, and it will also help us to reach to our goal, that is moksha.
What I like about the faculty in this place is that there are lecturers from various places. That is, they have done MBBS also, they have done BMS, BNYS. So we get to learn about a lot of things from everybody over here. And a lot of our lecturers, they have done PhD. So we get very close-up knowledge about everything that we learn. And also, we get to do a lot of group discussions along with us, our seniors, our MD seniors also. And also, we get to do a lot of seminars. There are group discussions. There are guest lecturers from many places on extremely various data. So we have a lot of knowledge about everything.
BNYS, it's a presently very well-known professional medical graduation program. The degree, the name stands for Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences. For the first time, the best blending has happened, bringing together two such great systems of medicine, that is naturopathy and yoga, one working extensively at the physical level and the other one working both at physical and mental level, together making it the most comprehensive system of medicine. The degree has been so well designed to incorporate and to combine the conventional knowledge of medicine with that of Indian knowledge of conventional medicine. I would say this is the best blend because the scope extends from becoming a simple Indian medicine based doctor to having a complete knowledge also from the conventional medicine side. It's a 5.5 year medical course, so there is it has got all the aspects of any professional medical degree. It has been taken roots from the modern medicine MBBS degree. The systematically followed syllabus gives a complete exposure to a student about medicine in its entirety. The degree has got its full accreditation and acceptance from all acknowledging bodies in the state, in the country as well as internationally. This university, Swami Vivekananda Yoga Anusandhan Sanstana, is recognized by the Ministry of Human Resource Development through UGC. Hence, the degree offered is of its highest certification, recognized from Government of India. Also, the course will be subsequently accepted by all areas of medical professionals because it covers a range of disciplines which can blend into other systems of medicine. This degree in Karnataka has got the recognition from the Department of Ayush. Anyone who completes successfully the 5.5 year medical program will be offered medical registration through the Department of Ayush. Hence, you can practice as a medical doctor anywhere in Karnataka and across India with a legal certification. Also, the course has got spread across this whole duration into 5.5 years in a more systematic manner, where you learn all the aspects of conventional medicine. For example, the basic medical sciences are covered in entirety. For example, ranging from anatomy to physiology to pathology to microbiology. Whatever you learn in medical profession, you learn everything completely, hence giving an edge for those individuals studying BNYS over other Indian medicine degrees, because this has incorporated almost all of the syllabus of MBBS into it up to basic medical sciences. When you move to the therapeutic intervention, that's when the range of naturopathy interventions have been clubbed together and given as the treatment modalities in the second half of the course to make it a comprehensive medical system where you deal the body and mind through a range of non-pharmacological interventions. Scope can be extended to several areas, unlike any of present-day individual medical courses, because the avenues open for the medical professionals completing this degree are so many. One can become an academician, so you can become a lecturer in any of the medical colleges. As I said, because it deals with several disciplines, not necessarily you have to become a lecturer in a naturopathy or yoga college. You can be a consultant, you can be a lecturer in many of the medical colleges where yoga or any other Indian systems of medicine are present day wing or a department already. Also, you can get into other professions. Primarily, you'll be, as a doctor, you will look forward to serve the humanity doing medical practice. So, you will be authorized to do medical practice. So, you can become a doctor, independently run an outpatient clinic, and you can also work in well-established hospitals. You can work as a medical consultant to many of the conventional medical hospitals. You can work in conjunction with other Indian systems of medicine hospitals. So the scope as a medical doctor is very wide open. Of course, other major area, present day big requirement is working into research. So there is huge research opportunities awaiting these doctors who are coming up from this degree. So there are research organizations and the postgraduate medical institutions looking forward for using these interventions as non-pharmacological interventions in the management of range of non-communicable diseases. Hence the scope as a researcher, both looking at the basic research as well as clinical research, is wide open for these doctors. Apart from this, the scope is also extendable up to working into other areas like in a medical spa, working in corporate sector as a yoga and naturopathy consultant, and you can also work in different other areas where you can create a newer avenue for yourself. Hence the scope is very wide open. Apart from all this, the most important thing is it's very well accepted not only in India but also across the world. If you ask the question, why do a BNYS at S. Vyasa, I have a simple answer to say that this is the most pioneering, well accepted, research-based organization, recognized not only as a university from MHRD, but also from different other scientific organizations which recognizes other institutions like the Department of Science and Technology, Indian Council for Medical Research, as well as the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research Organization. So these institutions' backbone is research. Whatever has been spoken and taught in this institution or organization and the university is evidence-based. So the teaching is of high quality, and everyone gets an opportunity to get an exposure to research, and the academics are always maintained and kept at international levels. Facilities available are matchable to any other international medical organization, and one can stay here in this campus, which is widespread across 120 acres, with an excellent supporting hospital of 300 beds. Will be a treat, and living at home with professional education at your doorstep. So I wish all those who are seeking a medical graduation and a professional medical education to come to S. Vyasa, and I welcome you to take up this profession which has got all that what you are looking for.